Hi guys, Miss Dwyer here. Okay, I'm going to review a little bit about place value. So what I have on your screen is a basic place value chart, okay? So you already know that this is the ones place. Oops, let me get my pen. So this is the ones place right here. This is the tens place, and this is the hundredths place right here. Okay, then we have, well, these three right here. This is called the units period or the ones period. I'm going to put ones or units. Okay, so then we have our comma. And then these three spots right here are into the thousands period. So again, this is the ones. It's going to repeat. The ones, the tens, and the hundreds. But since we are in the thousands period, I'm going to put a T here for 1,000. And then this is my 10,000 spot. And this is my 100,000 spot right here. So this period right here is called my thousands. Okay. Now, when you're saying these big numbers, whenever you get to this comma, you're going to say thousand because that's right after the 1,000 spot. So let me put a number in here. I'm going to put 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 4. Okay, so if I'm saying this big number, I'm going to start at the biggest place value spot, which is my 5. And I'm going to, let me switch the color here. I'm going to say this number first, just like you would normally say that number. So this is 567, and then I'm going to say my 1,324. So again, this number is 567,324. And you'll notice that I did not ever say the word and in my number. We don't ever say and when we're saying these big numbers, okay? I'm going to cross off and. So again, that's 567,324.